Hello and welcome. Gardening can be challenging, especially when pests threaten your plants. But did you know that not all insects are enemies? Many bugs are nature's helpers, acting as pollinators, pest controllers, and soil enhancers. In today's video, we're uncovering 10 beneficial insects every eco-friendly gardener should know. By the end of this, you'll see how these amazing creatures can transform your garden into a thriving, healthy ecosystem, naturally. 1. Ladybugs. The aphid assassins. Ladybugs are small, colorful beetles that are every gardener's dream. They're voracious predators of aphids, mites, and whiteflies, pests that can wreak havoc on your plants. Fun fact, a single ladybug can eat up to 5,000 aphids in its lifetime. How to attract them? Plant dill, fennel, or marigolds, which are irresistible to ladybugs. Avoid using chemical pesticides, as they can harm these beneficial insects. 2. Lacewings. The silent pest hunters. Green lacewings are delicate insects whose larvae are often called aphid lions because of their appetite for soft-bodied pests like aphids, mealybugs, and caterpillars. Why they're important? They not only control pests but also help pollinate your garden. How to attract them? Grow cosmos, sunflowers, or dandelions, and leave a few patches of tall grass for them to lay eggs. 3. Ground beetles. The soil soldiers. Ground beetles are fast-moving, shiny black insects that live in your garden soil. They work at night, feasting on slugs, caterpillars, and other garden pests. Why they matter? They're natural pest exterminators, especially for ground-dwelling pests. How to attract them? Provide ground cover with mulch, logs, or stones where they can hide during the day. 4. Praying mantises. The ultimate predators. Praying mantises are among the most fascinating and effective insect predators. With their lightning-fast reflexes, they catch and devour pests like flies, grasshoppers, and moths. Fun fact, they can even catch small birds or lizards, but they primarily focus on pests in your garden. How to attract them? Plant shrubs and maintain a pesticide-free garden to give them a safe habitat. 5. Parasitic wasps. Nature's pest control experts. These tiny wasps are powerful allies in controlling caterpillars, whiteflies, and aphids. They lay their eggs inside pests, and the larvae feed on the host, effectively eliminating the problem. Why they're amazing? They target specific pests, making them a natural alternative to chemical pest control. How to attract them? Plant nectar-rich flowers like dill, parsley, or yarrow to provide them with a food source. 6. Hoverflies. The pollinator predators. Hoverflies look like small bees but don't sting. Their larvae feed on aphids, scale insects, and thrips, while the adults are excellent pollinators. Why they're essential? They serve a dual purpose, pest control and pollination. How to attract them? Grow plants like alyssum, chamomile, and fennel. These flowers are perfect for hoverflies to feed on and lay eggs. 7. Spiders. The natural pest web. Although not technically insects, spiders deserve a spot on this list. They're one of the most effective predators of garden pests, catching flies, mosquitoes, and moths in their webs. Why they're beneficial? They reduce pest populations without you lifting a finger. How to attract them? Avoid destroying their webs and plant tall flowers like sunflowers or daisies, where they can spin their webs. 8. Dragonflies. The mosquito masters. Dragonflies are mesmerizing creatures that feed on mosquitoes, flies, and other flying pests. They're particularly helpful in gardens near water. Fun fact, a single dragonfly can eat hundreds of mosquitoes in one day. How to attract them? Add a small water feature, like a pond or fountain, to your garden to provide them with a habitat. 9. Bees. The pollination champions. Bees are perhaps the most well-known beneficial insects, and for good reason. They pollinate a vast majority of fruits, vegetables, and flowers, ensuring your garden thrives. Why they're crucial? Without bees, many plants wouldn't produce fruits or seeds. How to attract them? Plant bee-friendly flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and clover. Avoid using chemical pesticides, which can harm their population. 10. Soldier beetles. The flower protectors. Soldier beetles are bright orange and black insects that feed on aphids, caterpillars, and grasshopper eggs. They also pollinate flowers as they move from plant to plant. Why they're helpful? They play a dual role as pollinators and pest controllers. How to attract them? Plant goldenrod, zinnias, and marigolds, which are magnets for soldier beetles. How to create a haven for beneficial insects. Now that you know which insects to look out for, let's talk about creating an environment where they'll thrive. 1. Ditch chemical pesticides. These don't differentiate between pests and beneficial insects. 1. Use natural pest control methods instead. 2. Provide diverse plants. Grow a mix of flowers, shrubs, and trees to offer food and shelter. 3. Add water sources. Small ponds or shallow water dishes give insects a place to drink. 4. Embrace a little mess. Leave some natural areas with leaf litter, logs, or tall grass for insects to nest and hide. Beneficial insects are the unsung heroes of your garden. They save you time, money, and effort by naturally controlling pests and enhancing pollination. By welcoming them into your garden, you're not just boosting your plants, you're supporting a healthier, more balanced ecosystem. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Together, let's grow a greener, healthier world.